You are going to love the 2015 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, this vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, power steering, pre-collision system, power door locks, power brakes, trip computer, child safety locks, electronic brake force distribution. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
When purchasing an Acura Certified pre-owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new Acura. The Acura dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name. Acura Certified pre-owned, once an Acura, always an Acura.